31 নম্বর কোশ্চেন কি বলছে, ইন টার্মস অফ দ্য সাইজ নেপচুন দ্য র্যাঙ্কস নাম্বার ইন আওয়ার সোলার সিস্টেম। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, 4. In the terms of size of Neptune ranks number 1 the our solar system. 31 number question, explain there. In the solar system, Neptune is the fourth largest planet by the diameter, the third most massive planet, and the densest giant planet. It is the 17 times the mass of Earth. It is the 8th and farthest known planet from the Sun in the solar system. Next question, 32 number question কি বলছে, if a star is the bigger than Sun but not more than twice as big, it will be turned into a. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, pulsar. If the star of bigger of the Sun but not more than a twice as big will be turn into. 32 number question, explain there. If the star is above the masses of the Sun or less than that, it will be turned into white dwarfs. If the star is bigger than the Sun but not more than twice as big, it will be turned into neutron star or non-pulsar. If the star is many times bigger than the Sun, it will be turned into what is the called black hole. Next question, 33 number question কি বলছে, when does the sun shine vertically in the equator? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, twice a year is the sun shining vertically on the equator. 33 number question, explain there. When the sun is vertically above the equator, the day is of equal the length all over Earth. This happen twice a year, and this is at the equinox in March and September. Between the two tropic zones which include the equator, the sun is directly overhead twice per year. Outside the tropical zones, whether to the south or north, the sun is never to directly overhead. Next question, 34 number question কি বলছে, when does solar eclipse take place? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, when the moon is between the sun and the earth, does solar eclipse take place? 34 number question, explain there. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon gets between the earth and the sun, and the moon casts a shadow over earth. A solar eclipse can only take place at the phase and new moon, when the moon passes directly between the sun and earth, and it in shadows fell upon to earth's surface. Next question, 35 number question কি বলছে, on which date is India likely to experience the shortest day? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, 22 December. On which date India likely to experience the shortest day? 35 number question, explain there. 21, 2 and 23 December, also known as winter solstice, is the shortest day in the year in the northern hemisphere. India, being the northern hemisphere, and experience its shortest day and longest night on this very day. The winter solstice occurs the moment when a north pole is the tightly farthest away from the sun. Next question, 36 number question কি বলছে, the star twinkle but its planet do not to twinkle because? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, they are nearer to the earth and hence which they receive a greater amount of the light, and therefore minor of the variation in intensity are notable. Just as star and twinkle but planet do not to twinkle because. 36 number question, explain their star and twinkle because they aren't point in light and source passing through the atmosphere. The small beam of the light and constantly shaped by the bouncing of the particles in the air. The much closer planet appear to instead and teeny disk in the sky. They are too apparent to size and usually too larger than the pocket of air that they wouldn't distort their light. So the effects of the scintillation and negligible. Being the closer planet appear to disk with the shifting of the light from one side cancelling out the other. Next question. 37 নম্বর কোশ্চেন কি বলছে, হুইচ অফ দিস ইজ এ ডোয়ার্ফ প্ল্যানেট? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? নাম্বার সি, আইরিস, জিস হুইচ অফ দিস এন্ড ডোয়ার্ফ প্ল্যানেট? 37 number question, explain there. Iris is the most massive and the second largest dwarf planet known in the solar system. It is 27% more massive than a dwarf planet and Pluto. Iris is the ninth most massive non-body directly orbiting the Sun and the largest non-body in the solar system not visited by spacecraft. This question. 38 number question কি বলছে, the constellation on the Saptarishi is known as Western as the? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, Big Dipper. The constellation on Saptarishi is known as Western as the? 38 number question, explain there. The Big Dipper is an asterism consisting of the 7 brightest stars on the constellation of the Major. The Hindu astronomy it is referred to as the collection of 7 great sages Saptamandal, as each star is named after 2 mythical Hindu sage. Next question. 39 number question কি বলছে, which of the following is an alternative theory to the Big Bang theory developed in 1948? The starting that universe does not to change even shows it is the expanding over time. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, steady state of universe. 39 number question, explain there. The steady state of theory, also known as the infinite universe of theory of continuous creation, was developed in 1948 by Fred Hoyle, Thomas Gold, M. Herman Bondi, and others as an alternative to the Big Bang theory. In the steady state of theory, the density of the matter, the expanding universe remains to unchanged due to a continuous creation of matter. It asserts that the observable universe is basically the same as any time as well as any place. Next question. 14 number question কি বলছে, which of the following the scientists prove that the path of each planet around the sun of elliptical? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, Kepler. Thus which of the following the scientists prove that is path of each planet around the sun is the elliptical? 14 number question, explain there. According to the Kepler in the first law of orbits, each is the planet to revolve around the sun to elliptic orbit. The sun and occupying on the foci, the elliptical and the shape of the orbit then result to the inverse square the force of the gravity. Kepler to laws were to drive for the orbit to around the sun, but they apply to satellite to orbit as well.